Namaskara Karnataka. All of you are very tensed about, ma'am, how do I balance KCET and boards during this time? I totally understand, students, because there is almost 2 months for your KCET and you do not know how do you balance boards and KCET. How will you prepare for your 11th syllabus? I totally understand. So I am here to help you. So video na bega like ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ share ಮಾಡಿ friends ಜೊತೆ. So students, I'm going to tell you that please understand that when you're preparing for KCET, what you need to do first is invest on a good PYQ book. Because why, ma'am? Because both students, you're preparing more of you're by hearting, paragraphs and paragraph for 5 markers, 3 markers. But when it comes to KCET, you are doing a 1 mark question or you're getting 0 marks. So it is an MCQ pattern. So by just learning the board information, you will not be able to write KCET really well. So what you have to do, you have to invest on a good PYQ book. Now, ma'am, which book? You can invest on an MTG book, which has around 18 years question from 2003 to 2024. It has all physics, chemistry and biology questions. So it will be really helpful. Invest on that first. Second thing, don't wait for the last minute to prepare for KCET, because I have been seeing lot of videos about how I prepared in 10 days for KCET, how I prepared in 12 days for NEET, how I cracked JEE mains with just 1 month of, all this. But students, please understand that you should know your weakness. Maybe someone actually did it in 10 days or actually did it in 5 days. Who knows? But what you need to do is, if I will be able to do it, do I learn that fast? Am I that smart enough to actually learn it in a shorter span of time when I actually have 2 months of time, right? So ask yourself question, can I do it? If I watch this video, can I do it? That is important. So don't wait till the last minute to prepare for KCET, because it will become too risky for you to wait till the last moment. Now, the most important thing that I've noticed here is taking KCET not as a serious competitive exams. I know most of the time everyone runs for NEET and JEE, and we are NEET and JEE teachers, and we know that lakhs of students write every year. But don't you think, students, when Karnataka government is giving you such an opportunity to get into good engineering colleges or B Pharma courses with an examination, you should respect it, and you should also be very proud of writing that competitive exam and not see it as a small competitive exam. 4 lakh, 5 lakh students write it, and still competition still prevails, right? So do not take the examination very simple, because KCET is one examination that will decide your life for the next 4 years. Which engineering college, what kind of friends you will hang out with, what are the backgrounds they are going to come with, what is the ambience of the college, at the same time which kind of teachers are teaching me. All this will depend on what is your rank in your KCET and what marks you got in your boards. So this is very important, students, that KCET is not just a competitive exam. It is going to decide the most precious 4 years of your engineering life. So why would you just waste time, or why would you think that KCET is just a simple examination when it can decide so many things in your life further? Because good engineering college, good placements, and you end up getting good job, and also you will be able to come out of this middle class family life, and you will be able to live whatever, and you'll also have this financial freedom depending on your KCET rank. So don't you think you have to do this, and you have to crack this KCET examination for your family, for you to come out, and also to be the first person in your bloodline to get such an amazing rank and get into the best engineering college. So students, be confident, be consistent. Do not be worried about what will I do for the 20-30% of my 11th syllabus, because we are here to help you. Whatever help you need, please drop it down in the comments, because this channel is only made for your Karnataka students, and Vedantu has taken an initiative to make a channel for the Karnataka students. And if you don't support it, being in Karnataka, then who else will support it, right? If it is ours, we need to treasure it, right? Something is ours, something is done for us, we need to treasure it. So quickly subscribe to the channel, because your one subscribe can give us so much motivation to work more towards the Karnataka students and help every way possible. So that's it for today's video, students. Please continue your KCET preparation. Any help that you want from me, drop it down in the comments, and video na like ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, channel na share ಮಾಡಿ friends ಜೊತೆ, ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. See you all, bye bye.